Today we have a 2018 TTRS, 2017 F-Type R on a Pagani Huayra BC, Riviera Blue GT3, 2012 12C, and on a Singer Porsche, 812 Superfast. But we're gonna do a little ice cream run for Monte, so let's do it. Let's get going. Let's go. So let's go. I think one of the biggest changes from this year compared to the previous year was how much more work we've done in Vancouver and in Calgary. I don't think people realize we have over 130 days of travel logged in this year. I think we went through a flat of Red Bulls on this job.
Yeah, something like that.
It's day 4. We were here till like 3:30 in the morning last night. And it's just crazy to really step back and look that some days we would work all day, drive all night, and then work the next day over and over again while trying to make these videos. So going from simple detailing in a shop to doing work in Vancouver and Calgary and bouncing back and forth has definitely been a challenge, but it's probably been one of the funnest things we've done. We've just been able to see so much and meet so many people and move and create our business in different cities. So we're going to do more of that in the next following year too, and I can't wait. But we are making and renovating a new shop. This was a dream I've had for years and years, and it's absolutely incredible to actually be in here working on the videos inside and having our own space. And as we just finished it, it still doesn't feel real. I feel like I'm renting a friend's space, and it's hard to really believe where it is now. And it's just so overwhelming, and I'm just excited for the future.